If you want to code along with this course, you'll need to do some preparation. If you'd prefer to watch the demos without coding along, feel free to skip to the next video of this course. For coding along, you'll need to install a code editor, such as VS Code, if you don't already have one installed. And install the VS Code Live Server extension so we can easily view our web page in the browser. We walked through how to do both of these installations in the Gentle Introduction to HTML for Beginners course earlier in this series. And we'll point out how to install the extension when we need it in a few moments. We are going to build a guessing game. Before we can write some JavaScript for our HTML, we need some HTML. And if we want it to look nice, we'll need some styles. Let's jump in and build some HTML for our game. Start by creating a working folder somewhere you can find it again, maybe on your desktop or in your Documents folder. I'll use my Documents folder. Create the new folder and name it guess-a-number. Then right-click on the folder and select Open with Code. This opens the folder with VS Code. If you don't have the option to open with code, open VS Code directly, and then open your new folder from there. Close the Get Started page. Let's start by creating the HTML file. In Explorer here on the left, click on New File. Let's name the file index.html. As we learned in the HTML course earlier in this series, we can use Emmet and type the bang or exclamation point abbreviation, and then press Tab to create the basic structure of our HTML page. Cool! If you're not familiar with Emmet, it provides abbreviations that generate, or emit, code for us. Let's set the page title to Guess a Number. Under the body element, we'll add a main element. Inside the main element, we'll add a div element. And in that div element, we'll add a button. Set the content of the button to Guess. And let's give it a class of btn so we can style our button. That's it for now. We'll add more HTML later. Next, we'll add some styles. To keep our project organized, we'll put the styles in their own folder. In Explorer, click on New Folder and name the folder Styles. Click on the folder, then click on New File. We'll name the file style.css. Now let's close Explorer for more space. In the style sheet, we'll define a selector for our button class, .btn. We'll set the background color to green, the border to 12 pixels for a bit of a rounded look. We want the button color to be white so we can see the button text against the green background. We'll set the font size to extra large so we can better see it in the video. We'll make the height 50 pixels, add a margin top of 20 pixels, and a width of 150 pixels. Now we need to link the style sheet to our HTML file. In the index.html file, under the title, we add a link element. Set the rel attribute to Style Sheet, and the href attribute to our styles folder, style.css file. Now we are ready to view our page in the browser and check our result. For that, we need a local web server. VS Code provides extended functionality through extensions. To display this page in the browser, we'll use the VS Code Live Server extension. Click on Extensions in the left toolbar and ensure you have Live Server installed. If not, search for Live Server here. We want this one. Click the Install button to install it. I already have it installed, so we don't see the Install button. Once it is installed, close the Live Server documentation. Click on Extensions again to close the toolbar. When the Live Server extension is successfully installed, we see a Go Live button in the bottom right corner of VS Code. Click it to launch the web page in your default browser. And there it is, our Guess button. We'll build out more of the HTML for this game throughout this course. Let's arrange the windows to see the code on the left and the browser on the right. If you want to stop Live Server at any time, click the port number down here. We'll leave it running for now. In the browser, click the Guest button, and it doesn't do anything. Yet. Now we are ready to write some JavaScript. Before you move on, please click to like this video and subscribe.